Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new subscription box to bring. That's right. I had mentioned that I got a few new ones, and then on my last snack one, I said there was one that I did for 6 months, and that'd be this guy right here. So this is Universal Yums. Do you want to see what's in April's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, this is April's box for Universal Yums. This is my very first time bringing this guy to my channel, and it looks like it says the land of milk and honey. So I don't know if there's like milk and honey products in here. I'm not quite sure. We will find this out, but a little bit of information about them because that's what I do when I first bring a box onto my channel. So Universal Yums, step 1, you start your adventure. Travel to a new country every month and discover the best snacks and candies they have to offer. So that's really cool that I guess everything sounds like it'll be from that one specific country, where the other one I just did, there was like a mixture in there. So that's kind of a neat idea. Go in depth with your exploration with a fun 8+ page educational booklet that comes with every box. Step 2, try flavors from a new country. From rich dark chocolate to tangy orange pills, from Greece to zesty tomato chips from Thailand. You'll never know what you're going to get inside your box. 3, keep snacking around the world. Never miss a destination. Your subscription renews automatically at the beginning of every month, so you'll be all set for the next country. Need a break? We have an easy one-step cancellation process. So they have 3 different boxes. They have the Yum box, which is $15, and you get 6 snacks in every box, a 12-page booklet with trivia and games, and free shipping to USA only. There's a Yum Yum box, that's the one that I chose for the 6 months. This one's $25 a box. You get 12 snacks in every box. Every snack in the Yum box plus 6 additional snacks to try. 16-page booklet with trivia and games, bonus, contest, recipes, trivia, and so much more, free shipping to the US. Then they have the Super Yum box, which is $39 a box. It's 20 snacks. So you get everything from the Yum Yum box plus 8 additional snacks to try, 20-page booklet with trivia and games, bonus, contest, recipe, trivia, and so much more, free shipping to the US. So let's go ahead and get into this guy. And again, this is the Yum Yum box. And let's see what we got with this land of milk and honey. There we have it. That must be my book. And it says Israel. So we are going to Israel, you guys. This is awesome. And then it looks like we have a little destination thing on the back. The official Yum Awards, best, second best, worst, and weirdest. So then it has like a thing where you can write how you feel about them. I'm not quite sure if that is what is in. Yep. So it looks like that is the contents in this box, and you can kind of keep note if you liked them, if you didn't, and that kind of thing. So that's awesome. So let's go ahead and dig in here. Yeah, let's dig in here. Let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we have. So right on top, I'm not quite sure because I don't really see anything in English, but, oh, puff baked garlic and onion flavored corn snack. That's what it says on the back. Okay, there's the onions, there's the corn. Looks like little, what's that cereal? Golden Puffs, or there was, I don't know, whatever. So there's the front of it. There's the back. So there's item number 1. Next, right on top, it says Basili barbecue flavored wheat snack. Okay, that looks pretty good. A wheat barbecued snack. There's the back. So there's item number 2. Handmade bacalao. Not quite sure. Sweets from Nazareth. Not quite sure. But there's that. And it looks like that. That is definitely interesting looking, to say the least. This is gonna be kind of neat to try everything from one country. I think that is really cool. So these kind of look like these guys, but they look like they might be a little smaller. Chick Choc, everything flavored snacks. It kind of looks like those little curly, cute things. And there's the back. Next we have that same brand as the other one, the Basili, I'm not quite sure, but these are onion flavored wheat snacks. With the thing saying the land of milk and honey, I was thinking we might be having a little bit of honey, but it looks like there's a lot of onion in here so far. Wheat and onions. All right, so here we have, I'm not quite sure what this one is. Is a little kangaroo, and it looks like some little corn snacks or something. There's the back of it. Huh, that's different. All right, next we have, I'm not sure what's top to bottom on these, but Nugget Bites. Cereal snacks filled with nugget flavored cream coated with peanut butter. Ooh, you had me at peanut butter. Ooh, those. Okay, you had me at peanut butter. Let me see this peanut butter. Ooh, it smells just like peanut butter, you guys. Oh, these look like those little like pretzel, those little pretzel type things. It's kind of like a pretzel and peanut butter inside. But the outside is a little crunchy. It's different. Nugget Bites. That is different. But I love me some peanut butter. Next we have a really big moo cow chocolate bar. There's some little cows on it. Ooh. And there's the back. I don't know if I had that upside down. I did. And it looks like it's a chocolate bar. Milk chocolate with popping candies. And then it has like these little, looks like maybe fireworks. So I wonder if there's, I don't know, there's some popping candies going on in this guy. That's definitely different. Next we have maybe something with some chocolate. The only thing is I don't know how to read this stuff, but I guess my mouth doesn't need to read it. It just needs to taste it, right? This looks like it would be a caramel, based on the picture, caramel infused maybe chocolate or caramel pieces. I'm not quite sure, but there's that. A few more items still in here. It kind of reminded me of Twix, but it's like a Tikes, or is it? I have no clue. There's that. And this looks like it may be like peanuts and chocolate. Let me see if it says anything on the back. Milk chocolate coated nougat and hazelnut bar. I don't care for hazelnut, so I'll go ahead and just give this one to my man because I don't like hazelnut, but I know he does. Then we have two of these little guys. And it does not say what they are, but it looks like there's a pistachio. Looks like there's some pistachios down there, and I love me some pistachio. So let me open, since there's two of these, let me open up this one. Let's see, what is this, you guys? Oh, it looks sticky, and, okay. I smell pistachio. Oh, very, oh. It is very, very soft and airy. Like a very soft and airy nugget. But it's kind of like a chalky taste being left on my tongue. I don't really like that, but okay. Then we have two powder coated, looks like maybe strawberry and peanuts inside. There's no writing or anything on these. So there's 2 of those. And then there's 2 more things in here. And this looks like this might have coconut on it, and I don't like coconut. So I probably will have my man try one of these first to see. And then if it's not coconut, then maybe I'll try these out. But it reminds me of like those what are those? Snowballs or something is what it kind of looks like. But there's that. So we got 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these, one I opened already. The chocolate bar, the peanut hazelnut bar. We got these. We got these. Got these. These guys. And this that I opened with the peanut butter. These were really good. These are really good. These are really good. Okay. Now in here, does it tell you about them? There's recipes from this country. There's like it looks like a recipe. Okay, so those little things that I was like, oh, this is strawberry. These guys, pomegranate Turkish delight, pomegranate candy with almonds. That sounds amazing. And then that other one is a mini pistachio halva, sesame candy with pistachio. This little, I didn't know it was in here. So now next month when I get it, I can just look in the box. These right here, it says with pistachios, cashews, peanuts, and almonds. That is a milk chocolate and caramel coated wafer bar. The one that looked like a caramel bar. This one. And then the other, yep, coconut bar rolled in coconut flakes. I knew that had coconut. The little round, the other little round one. And this does, I was thinking, I wonder if it's Pop Rocks that's in there. And it does say chocolate with Pop Rocks. Whoa, you'll likely never tried a chocolate bar like this before unless you were with us the last time we went to Israel. So this must have Pop Rocks in that chocolate. That's kind of cool. And then those others are these guys right here. It says falafel flavored puffs. Not quite sure. And then there's some trivia. Has some trivia on here. But each of the items, they do go over in depth of what they are. So that's really cool. So next time I'll use this when I'm going through it. So then I know kind of what I'm talking about. And yeah, so that is really cool. So again, this was the middle tier. We get to try everything from Israel. So let's see where we go next month. This is awesome, you guys. If you do want to sign up or you're interested, I will have the links down below. You can definitely check them out. And yeah, I think this is really cool because it's everything in one box. So it's not like you have one item from here, one item from here, one item from here. Like the other one that I just did, this is, you get a lot of different variations from the same country. So the next month we'll have a new country with all new things to enjoy and to try out. So that is really awesome. I'm really excited about this box. I wanted to bring a snack box to my channel to show you guys because I've never done a snack box on my channel. And I'm really glad I chose this one because now every month we can go to a different country and we can see and try new things from each country. That is awesome. So thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. That's everything I have for this particular video. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video or giveaway that I will have on my channel. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.